se não tá considerando um friend como te care about, lá me não ani worry by bisabo nada. Não tá turbia com o que passa, pero cos por cabo be fatal. So I don't want it to get there. If I have to tell you something straight up to your face, I will.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, Joim.
Angel.
Rudina.
Ito, usaka ba nosta e trio di OnBrand. Welcome again to another video. Nosta urbana di ting different content for you guys. So nosting gana ando tambe nos appeal to like a different audience really.
Right.
So
Yeah.
awe nosta ba ting series. I think it's gonna be a series. What's kind of the same as be probably.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
Unpopular opinions. Very, very, very basic premise. Could be anything, but the thing is, not everyone's opinions are the same. So that's why they're called unpopular opinions. As a mani Rudina bisama woy or nasa recording, kumita living embodiment of an unpopular opinion. I'm assume ko tabay gi panel ki awe. Amiti hope unpopular opinions, pero somehow they make sense until, dare I say it, they have been made into some popular opinions at some point. So we'll see. You know what I'm saying? Pero see, so kada umina tabayin ko na misstatement na popular of unpopular opinion anto a premise da mas tempo manos nos by debate on it anto minusa si tabi birong question kami nosta burba di overtuigen otro, but at least nosta make nos point clear to the point kami na bosa create some doubt di sige otro nang. Or mga portanos to agree. I don't know because I don't know what their opinions are. But in geval, it's gonna be fun. Be sure to follow us OnBrand.pc. Like, subscribe, comment, do all that jazz, and to check out our personal pages na tambe. They're in the description below. And those other videos, obviously. Yeah.
Also, mga ata ko ting pare opinion puwari sa como statements, como like Manila ba formulang opinions is this pa clarity pa kung gusto man isip pero kung popular and this
Allow
what
it,
we think and why we're gonna debate about
Allow
like
it.
how it's or even rant about why nos no gusta algo.
Yes.
Yeah.
See. This.
Yes.
That's for my unpopular opinion. Rudina.
Okay, nasa start. Kuha ba sa akin?
Gente kung sa kopika kay siguro.
That's the whole point,
You don't have to.
Mi por, pero
No, start out with a banger.
No.
Start out with a
Okay.
banger. Start out with a banger. Sebelum
Hindi
kumsa
to-
bong kuma takaba bong. Dun kumsa bong.
Okay. I don't know where to. Quite now, there's a bike. Okay, now I'm gonna make it home. So there's this like unwritten rule. Like maybe sa friends of hindi pa voor die relatie no mag doen een opinion die relatie of zoiets en dan dan je bullshit.
Continue.
Die kon paso eigenlijk toen mag die een opinion and it shouldn't in particularly matter to whomever that ding in relatie. Pero gewoon die komt dat ik zo I'm not the type of person who daarbij sit around and to no bisabo algo chispa so eta boa relação of zo. Maar bij mij ik een toxic relationship bijvoorbeeld. Comida wa mi friend tamane struggle of eta bin confia mi algo and mi tamane sí, amiga, dale. No, I'm not gonna do that. If I have to tell you something straight up to your face, I will. Ando, si mita hai atrobe, si bata confiamento si nasti un banta sina, mita hai ku mi por bisabo. Ando si me se llega zo ver mita bisa mita consejabo se esquibra kune, cause it's not of bro, kibra kune, of anything in between. Kibra ku esung kuda kune, I will. I will tell you. Because I'm not by holding it. So uiteindelijk, E cosa che da trarre per mi consensi, come non abisavo, então, não tá turbia com o que passa, pero coisa por causa hobby fatal. Então, I don't want it to get there. Dus, pensei a mim também, think that. Tem mais razão, pero também keep it assim aqui.
Vou focus tá mais tanto com me digo bisa persona aqui, passo me te sinto me digo bisa of a situação tá malo, me digo bisa persona aqui. Passo hoje vai bisa ku é colo que tá cansado com não bisa, pero é colo que tá cansado passo que tá wrong ou passo não bisa. That's it, my question. I don't really know because I have more questions, but see.
I think is passou me não bisa. Passou uiteindelijk esta maneira cai esta cover lo que babisa prometa me, segundo mim. At least me compreender o question bom. Welcome, mi nota maneira bisando a opinion aqui based on the fact que mi tahai me tin turor me tin ko bisa. That's not what I mean. Pero mi tahai assim que se mi tahai que tem algo que ahala minha atenção, me por bisabo. At least assim mi relationship tá com mi friends não, com mi tá sinto que me por assim. Não tá tudo ainda passia. Não tá tudo, não é some stranger out there também é cara bisabo. Sim, amiga, you, ai, aku, mira, boca assim, que, bom me se quebra com ele. No, that I won't accept that foi um assim, na. Of mi lo não maneira for wa com assim lo vai bisa friend of so para assim. Pero se bote band com o ene com porta honesto com ele like that, I think you should. So atrobe, honesty is a value of mine. So say it always come back to that.
Yeah, I find it interesting. Yeah, bisa.
Sí, a mí también bisa que tá bom que batinha honesty e com friend, pero digo banda, este um caminho para so ultimately end vai ser o que é.
Sim.
Então quando põe que botar me põe uma vulnerable position, pessoa ainda também tu malo que vai bisa, então tem chance que para tu mele bom e tem chance que para tu mele malo.
Sim, I agree que lo que vai bisa, pero trobe mané wak honestidade não tá mané, me não tá vai por para convince lo que te coiba me sa assim, which is bisabo. Te sei meeting de mi man. Ando verder si mi mesa CMS, me always start with si uene bambisa, si uene bim contame algo about na relationship, anto me da me puntra, okay, porque para me entender ou porque para me donar minha opinião, anto give you advice. And based on that, lo me approach a conversation. However, I always give un disclaimer si que si me tenho que bisa lo me bisa você.
So esse mostra bem não coco mister even do not disclaimer. Então sowieso I think lo bota honest com friend ou bota bisa like this is how you feel. Pero bosa também oreco tem consequences to whatever it is que they bring to the table para o bisa friend também. Denk ik at least. Dus quando eu botar assim tá malo, pero que a way que o friend vai react não tá de momento.
Sim. De sei, sowieso me saco não tá de mi man. Pero mi não tá bem e não tá bem kita com mi não tá bem tá honesto com ele. Não tá bem kita.
Yeah, me como digo que man, and the premise it's a good thing, but at the same time it's a differentiate between telling a person a fact of the matter and giving a person advice. So you do have to put a disclaimer. Okay, so maybe sabi sa itong abusive relationship, it's abusive, it's wrong that he hits you or she hits you. Pero the different will be say, but advice. Disclaimer, boti ko dala back of advice, boti ko break up. So, man, two different things. I think, they're honest in their that about the situation. And they're honest this way about what you feel the person should do is a different thing. It's not the same. It's disclaimer, it's a fact of matter. Edi dosi, so, mi no apunta po opinion, hindi ko hasi. Abo ko my friend, boti ko sa amin kiko bung ko tama. That's it.
Okay, yeah.
And to say yes, you do have to put a disclaimer na. Okay. advice, because that's different. So, what advice is personal to you? But a situation is the situation.
Yeah,
that's different.
pero atro bem ultimately umena também contava algo. Vooral bambi sabe lá nas coisas como que era ding parte de toxic relationship. Nada bambi sabe algo. Passou eta touch nanganto. Ultimately ta gewoon mane pa uit na mes. Sowieso met assim de mane I have to either way give een soort van disclaimer.
See.
You know?
But that's a different situation. So a person being brome. How about bami bo sake ko tapasando a person no tabi sabo andori ki bata seri. So dembo unpopular opinion but tabi sa person talk pero a dynamic to hobi different.
Sí, pero atrobe there's a say that sin theory back dembo approach to the conversation. Ando no per se lo que bati bisa. Si bosa ku
Okay.
Si é na je gebisabo of zo, minta llega gewoon te pabo in de streets to be like, si me tiene que no. Si oportunidad presenta, I will be honest with you, because si oportunidad no presenta, then there's no point.
I don't agree.
Die
I don't
kom.
agree. Kasi oportunidad no me se presenta.
Hoezo?
Si tem toxic relationship and si bude echt niet meer digo bisa,
Okay,
bo no me se wara oportunidad. Que
okay.
oportunidad te presenta? Bo digo mir koi toxicity pasa bo bisa. No.
Yeah,
So that's
yeah,
also
okay,
like no.
No.
Bisa ko. No sinta waarde no. Say it. Punt. Also.
De kind kuta gewoon llega. Heb je bise? Teneki. Wat is tal cos?
I'm not saying that's what I would do. I'm just saying excuse the oportunidad presentar is not a good excuse. That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
I tend to mind my own business in people's relationships because you see.
I mean, no, I don't. Yeah,
Sí,
I'm sowieso being com a opinion, pero tayo un momento, sowieso também party, I mind my own business, of course.
See.
But if we happen to have a conversation, I'm not about be like, of a dry ranty effect ko ik ook met bisabo. I will tell you. I will tell you. And it's the same. This is the reason why I say this. Paso ami que paina si ku ami. Mi que paina ta honesto ku no ku shit that happened, pero no ku mane botar vai tratar mi estranho based on the person that I'm dating. Ando después na final ora quando vai bom, después me sabe see I actually didn't like pa que coi pa bimbisami, but no bimbisami.
Right.
Dan quero com a opinião aí. I would rather
be. Não bisa me robar com a post stuff.
Sim, você tem que tinha tá, mas nem é.
Para mim não acaba meu pensamento sim, because pero
não, não pensamento, but as ele tem friend, não tá tu friend mas nem abo.
Bisa no,
ultimately não tá bem assim, não tá bem assim ele.
Pero depois aí, atrobe, it's an opinion.
Yeah, sim.
The personal.
Hold on. Mabisa comigo mabisa me mind my business about people's relationships. That doesn't mean I don't want to tell you. Because when the papa relationship, the papa abo ko my friend. It's different.
That's what I
relationship mati. I've had that ko me friend, friend of a person in my life ko that dem relationship ko no ta bom. But we say, I don't care about the relationship. I care about you. You're my friend. I don't care about this person. I don't care about the relationship either. So, abo, me sa tabong. So, I will tell you that. Pero, me to mind my business about the relationship. Pero, me to mind my business. Me to actually mind my business.
Pero, uiteindelijk...
Because it is my business about my friend.
Sí, pero uiteindelijk, esta queda, juist.
Uiteindelijk is een relatie, ik had dat toch.
Zie,
ete ding, kababo, sorry.
En uiteindelijk, ik inamica bimba, kun mane, mi porting... No, let me cuida de uma outra maneira. Uiteindelijk het al being back na a relationship. Si me care about the person, het link back to a relationship. So I would have to give an opinion about the relationship.
Okay, but I don't see it that way because I actually have done it in a different way.
Okay.
And to do a disclaimer tambe, which I did about my opinion about. En naam doen een disclaimer. Or my about the relationship. This is what you need to do with regards to the relationship. En naam doen een disclaimer.
Yeah.
En naam. So en naam te bestaan wat ik bedoel asi. Plus met te bestaan. Je kan me mes in position die tell you about your relationship, which is different. I can tell you about something is wrong, but met mira que tá wrong pa abo. Met mira ko situation that's in about hurt. You shouldn't be in this type of pain. This is not good for you.
Yes.
Dus say disclaimer. Ik ook persona aqui não tá bom pa abo. I feel like bond this person. That's different.
Ik kook wat de business explica. Ik kooi me de hand. Ik kook gewoon a friend should be allowed to tell you that. Então, me dá assim de maneira, to some extent, at least ku experiences that I had, hende no amane durf bahasi eko say. Ami no durf bahasi say, então hende no durf bahasi eko ami. Dus, então eko imita mane hanye mane. Diko no.
It's kind of whack.
It's kind of whack. Do you understand?
It's whack. No.
Si bo makinawa wating a friend and to why po basi ko yung friend sabu no.
Dan houdt het op, hè?
Pero kung awat the sin theory.
That's a good question.
Kung awat the sin the knowing it's still happening pero sabu no. So yun tamit makita bisa. Bagay bisa si bimi sabu advice bimi basa mino kere.
Okay.
I know shit is happening.
Dan houdt het op, hè?
Pero kung abo tu sinti depois.
Sowieso me tá sentindo malu que not too ma of no mane ela react malu to what I had to say. Pero uiteindelijk ja. En dat wat kong ik ooit dat develop afterwards mi porta mi relationship con ne. Pero at least camin e cosa kumita ta honesto kubo. Wo saki kumita pensa.
Okay. Oh wait. But I throw me to ask me some question because me that hearing was answers, and though I throw wait, do you a person no tuma bo advice of no tende look because of the night whatever. But I feel bad because I not tende the abo of no tende look about visa or person ita keer in a situation. That it's a me question. What is it about? Because it's me ask wait okay, but why are you telling them? Are you telling them because the situation is a bad situation and it's right and wrong? It's not the same. So but not answer, but not bisa go. Oh, see, me feel bad because the person kita clearly going through something. No attende look mabisa about the situation. No, you said no attende look mabisa. Which one is important? Me ta supone to dos, pero it's important to make that.
It always go back to a person's well-being. Yes.
Okay, that's what I mean.
See, is it always go back?
I told you so. They don't even care about what's happening.
See. No. I think to go back to the person's well-being. That's why I'm being honest. That's why I care about a friend. Para mim po biega zo ver para mim po bisa não. Se me não tá care about you, se me não tá considerando um friend que me tá care about, para mim não há nem worry by bisa nada.
Inami kaya so kora. Mita but tata pa bo honesty, right? That is a great trait to have obviously, but why? Honesty, not that it was honesty. No, it's honesty because it's right and wrong. And today, I need to be honest about the situation for it being what it is. See, basta, you go finish.
Context.
Finish the train of thought.
Yeah.
Gotta finish the train of thought. Gotta put all the things together, basta?
Yeah.
Sugar, spice, everything nice. Proceed.
Pero bata able pa, before let's wrap it, but kita my last question. Bata able pa separate the friend for a situation? Like kung iko look like in the future for you, moving on. So basta no have a conversation about it. Kung awalo pa sige, that friend to her, si iko tamani ang koko is
to him,
them.
A person, a friend.
Yeah. I think ultimately it depende a situation.
Yes.
Pero si ik me llega zo ver ko, I mean, het sinti me. Het uiteindelijk buyback na feeling, how I feel about a specific situation, pero también por ahí si ta gente que está junto con ellos, whatever. Pero so I can't really say how I move forward, pero é por tá com muita distance, tá?
Sí. Okay. Before atrobe, mi mente ta queda atrás. Okay, so Bambisa ta a gravity situation ta 4, right? Gravity situation ta 4
out of
10.
Okay.
Sí. 4 out of 10. 4 out of 100.
It could have been 5 también, no?
Sí, no, true. No, 4 out of 10. Bijvoorbeeld, kibataas. Usually, mita supone ko tamane, mita, basta? Okay, right? And those situations are an 8 out of 10. But the distance mo miss? Just a yes or no, pa sige, train of thought.
4 out of 10. Gravidad to the person.
Gravidad, sí. The situation, yeah, to the person.
To the person. I might be able to gewoon, mabisabo ito. Yeah, okay. Mi pensamento sowieso die maybe probably te cambia. Pero, of kiko ma verwacht DJ, whatever. Yes. Pero 8 nanang
Pero sí.
Mi no to give up fácil on friends, pero at some point being a realization that I can't do anything and to me miss a loss.
Okay.
Dus ja,
So,
dit is een caminho dat llega.
Why did I ask that question?
No, sorry. To me, it's a immediate protective mode para mí me se ora aí.
Sí.
Okay.
Paso na 8. No que stop a vriendschap, paso thing all going on, but at the same time, this is not good for me.
Sí.
Dus to me, nang manier, barrier di manier. Ni protection dan, bitin ko bingo. Then, take out the person, I don't want to know about it instead.
Okay. That's interesting. So, when I ask a question again, so the worse situation gets, the higher our chances of leaving the situation, which should be the opposite.
Pero
it's kind of very interesting.
Minabisa ko that's mita purba pro me.
Sì, no, mi sa, però mi di the chances,
Okay. Yeah, pero
ma bisa the chances, so na 4 nos dumita eens kom so mita man a 4 mas we can both live with it. Pero uns tayo man ora 8 nos man is long, bro. I can't.
Sí, pero
pero mane pa
it's weird because usually
misa paso a mí tem maneira de mane basic da tuma style ko bota consider 8 si mi gravedad de 8 to the person, so I would be like, like, are you okay, asina? Des di umbanda mita mane mi look check on them, pero mane babisa, is it good for me? Des to some point could be that toxic even pa ami, yeah, lo mi mese kong halapian to, I don't know, journal about or something pa mi ami por the mane.
Pero mita bisabo dami. Si eka ne punto mita bisabo.
Sí, ando uiteindelijk ku mi opinion ta ku nos me se llega.
Yeah.
Ku porra si ekoi.
Sì. Ma foi interesting con gravidad subindo, no so ne. Yeah, but it's not good for me. It makes sense, but it's also very interesting to think about. It really is.
Yeah.
So usually the worse something is,
the more betu queda pero
sì, però
è
tra averechts.
Tanto como pobisa e non deve essere
Sí. Ando wak, pero tiene que letterlijk als je naar bobisa tanto quando no te cos, uiteindelijk wat sta bisa gewoon. That's like honesty pa bomes, pa se ori bota honesto ku bomes van ek ook bota si ta useless. Ek ook bota si no ta bayan yung camino, so paki bota sige ko ne.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was my unpopular opinion. Ano sa que você anda pensa?
Sì.
Erover, nilo tingani di sa mas perspectives di gente que quando anda pensa de okay, because for at least ding me bubble, this is what I have experienced and which is why it's based on that. Pero la que no sa que você anda pensa?
So now, we can talk about like to the y'all know the drill, like it's fine. And to tune in for the next unpopular opinion because there's gonna be more.
Yes.
And to nosta excited about the busang opinion because it's really about the conversation rather than just us posting stuff online, really. So yeah.
See ya.
See ya.